Alright. I honestly don't know what to post or to do. I am currently making a blanket, but I don't want to film it because I really want to keep it to myself because it's fun. Oh. I have been practicing some guitar because I just feel like it's fun. Yes. Okay. This was, honestly, this elastic, let me see if I can see myself. This elastic was going to make or break this video. So, we are going to make a lounge set. Okay? Alright. But, I got these. Oh, I thought that was my coffee. This is my coffee. Wow. I don't drink coffee that much. I drink 1 cup of coffee a day. 1 big cup of coffee a day. So I am not that mom that takes Adderall and coffee. Definitely not. But this is 2 yards for $3. And this is 100% polyester. And it's super soft and it's actually really thin. Oh, never mind. It has like a double layer. So there's like a backing. Okay. And then this is 2 yards for $4. Okay, yeah, so they're both 2 yards. This one, remnants of undetermined fiber. I'm pretty sure this is like a polyester, maybe a cotton blend. It's really stretchy, so I'm thinking there's some spandex, polyester, cotton. It's, yeah. Why is that one $3 and this one, oh, I don't know. But I like getting these from Walmart. It saves a lot of money. It's pretty much whatever was left on the bolt. It's scraps and you just buy them. 2 yards for $4. Like, you can't do any better than that. I did want to see if I can make these into joggers or one of these into joggers, but I much rather have the flowy pants because I've been wearing those here lately. I'm trying to stay away from leggings so much, but I always feel like when it's the flowy pants, they look more pajama-y, and I don't want to look like I'm wearing my pajamas out in public, if that makes any sense. So, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make 2 lounge sets, maybe just 1. Maybe I am just going to do a shirt and some pants. I want the shirt to be baggy, flowy, but not showy. I have a thing, I don't like my chest to show so much. You know, if it's off the shoulder or anything, I just don't like that. I like it to be crew neck right here. So, I can't print the instructions, so I'm just going to have to do the instructions from my phone, which is fine, but now we got to go and put all of these pieces together. Ooh, sorry. This printed out 53 pages. It seems like it's a lot of ink, but it's really not a lot of ink. I don't know why my printer, it'll say it's almost out of ink, but in reality, that's just what it's guessing. And then I'll go back to printing something and it'll say it's full again. So I don't know what the deal is with that, but I'm going to shut this. I'm going to leave my laptop here so it can charge. But we're going to go back in my sewing room and put everything together. I know Blippi's in the background, but yeah. Hopefully I have enough tape, and hopefully I don't have any orders. But if I do have any orders, I think I'll be good. I'll just buy more tape. It's fine. So, let's go. I taped one side of the whole strip. You can tape both sides. You can tape the whole thing if you want to make it more durable, but I only tape one side because you are going to end up cutting it, and then you can tape the backs whenever you're done cutting it. So that is one thing to have in mind. Don't use too much tape at first because you will end up cutting this so that you can trace it out, you know?
Indeed. Just more bad decision making. Look, do you think that Kieran Preston are gonna last?
I ran out of tape, so hopefully I can go find something. If not, I'm gonna have to staple the rest of this, which I hope I don't have to. So let me go find some tape. Alright, went to the dollar store literally across the street. Well, not really. I have to drive there, but now we're good. Alright, I have barely any idea of how I'm really going to cut this fabric. I'm going to have to put it on the ground. I'm going to do like a simple tack down stitch just to make sure the lining and stuff stays, and then I'm going to repin it and then do I'm going to check on my bodice before I totally put the pieces together, so I'll show that also. So. Alright, it's kind of messy over here in this area because I have a bunch of stuff in these Huggies boxes that have inventory for my Etsy shop. Alright. This is the front. Alright. Okay. There's that part. Okay. I think I'm gonna cut the sleeves off because I think this is so baggy to where, or I'm gonna cut sleeves into it again. So it fits, it's gonna look good. We just gotta cut some sleeves into it. So
It must be a California thing. Man, I just heard about California codes today, Mark, and it is insanity. The codes in California.
alright, so it's probably obvious by now, but I didn't realize. So this is the front and this is the back. So this is the front of the shirt and this is the back. So when you know, have it all cut out, fold. I feel like that's gonna move. Okay, front facing. And since we're doing K, we gotta cut the K on this. Ooh, that's not good. Alright. Bit is asleep. I took a little bit of a break, kept doing stuff. I did attempt putting on the neck piece, and we're gonna leave that piece out of the here. This fits perfect. It's just the neck piece that I need to get perfect. Alright, so there's a huge difference between doing it this way and the way that I was trying to do. So this obviously looks like a neck hole. This is not sewn, obviously, that's why the pins are there. This, I did a zigzag stitch on the edge. I probably should have done the overlock, but it's whatever, I already did it. So sew the joined facings onto the bodice around the neck with right side of fabric together. Okay, that's what I did last time. Hopefully, whatever this witchcraftery is, hopefully it helps. All right, so far, or actually it's done, and I love it. It's perfect, it's flowy, and I'm definitely going to do this again on the other fabric. So I think I need to iron this. So on the page, it does look like it does have like, it's like a raw edge type thing. I wish I would have stretched out the fabric more, and I think it wouldn't have done this. So if I would have just stretched it out a little bit more, it would have been fine, but it's fine. I love this fabric. It's very light and airy. So I think I'm gonna do this again. The shirt is so nice and comfortable, and I feel like it's flattering. I have a big chest, so when I do shirts like this, I have to be careful. I want to put like a little pocket, so I think I'm gonna put like a little pocket right here, but I love it. And it actually goes with these shorts, and I don't know how I managed this, but like the ends, I don't know. I like how the ends look. They kind of look a little like rough on the edges. I also torn out a bunch of tack stitches that I did because you can tell that they're there, so I'm like stretching them out to like break them apart. The lining is not perfect, but I don't care. The lining was just to hide any bra or anything that I wear underneath, but I love this, so I highly recommend. Alright, so these are my lounge pants that I would definitely wear with these. I did not make these pants. Hold on, let me try to clean up a little bit, so y'all can see. Let's see. I love how this looks. I got wires everywhere. But this lounge set, so beautiful. I love it. It looks luxurious. It looks like, you know, I come from money. I would definitely wear this out to the store, but to me, this to me looks like I'm in my pajamas. And every time I go to the store, I want to be in jeans or leggings, but this to me is so beautiful. I love how it looks. I do have a pair of white sandals that would go well with this, and yeah, I love it. I love it so much. I wish you could see my whole body. But yes, I love it. I feel nice and confident in it. I do not feel big in this. I actually feel like this does make me look a little bit thinner. But I also have big boobs, and I feel like big boobs just make me look like I'm a little bit bigger. And now that I scooted it, it's either too high or too low. But I love this. I love how it looks. I love how it matches. I don't know how I've been matching the oatmeal color or the beige color. I'm trying to stay away from beige because on a separate channel I talk about the beige moms, or aka influencer moms. But it's whatever. I like this. I feel good in it. It feels light and airy. I could wear this all summer. I think I would put this on, go in my hammock, and read a book, which I've been doing. I've been laying out on my hammock, so that's why I've been getting a little bit of tan, although I have a farmer's tan. I need to wear my tube top, but I love this. I feel nice and comfortable in this. I might actually, I'm going to stay in this for the rest of the night. I need to put a tag on it because I kind of don't know what the front and back is unless I'm wearing it. So, yeah. But I love this. It's the common stitch. It's the peppermint. I think it's called peppermint. But I love this outfit. I love it. I love the shirt. Pretty much all my shirts now are in this shape. So, and this was like really easy. Basically, the only hard part was the neckline, and if I would have just stretched out the material a little bit more, it would have been so much easier. But I highly recommend following the instructions for the neckline. Everything else is kind of like, you know, what do you call it? A no-brainer. Oh, no, that's the original stitch that I had down. So, but I love this fabric. I think the thread that I used was a little bit of a thicker thread, but it's whatever. I love this. I love how it feels. I can wear this with some jeans. Let me go put on some jean shorts so y'all know how it looks. Alright, so I don't know if I mentioned on here yet, but the goal is to have nothing but my clothes and my outfits in my wardrobe. Sides of these shorts are customized by me. I wonder, yeah, these are the ones, like this metal piece. I'm going to have to go back and sew this shut because this metal piece gets in the way of it. So now that this is frayed and kind of clogged up a little bit, maybe I can sew that. But these lasted me a whole weekend out in the woods and stuff, so I highly recommend doing this. But you have to get a really thick denim-like material. Also, they have frayed, and so it goes really well. So, my husband loves them. He likes that I've been this creative to like do stuff with my outfits and stuff. But I love it. This outfit, shorts are customized by me, and shirt is made by me. So, yay! I'll see y'all in the next video, and y'all have a good week.